Mention a sound an animal is likely to make. MJ.
Meow.
Meow. Meow. He says meow. Let's see if that's on the board. Our survey says... Woo! He did not even wait to see whether he will play or pass. All right, meow. Color tune.
Yes, sir.
Mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
Okay, I want to go with grunt, like a pig.
You've not mentioned this, yeah? Do it. Do it.
Like,
He says, grunts like a pig, and he followed it up with whine, whine. All right, let's see if that is on the board. Our survey says... Hey. Bisola, mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
I'm going to go with woof.
Woof.
Like a dog.
Like a dog. Woof it.
Woof.
Which breed of dog is that one?
Oh, I'm not sure. It's some, Nigerian shepherd.
He says, woof, from the Nigerian shepherd. Let's see if that is on the board. Our survey says, woo! Shalom. Mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
So I'm going to go with a roar like a lion.
Roar like a lion.
good answer.
Good answer.
But you know what I'm going to tell you to do now. Which lion? The one in the battle zoo? She says, roar like a lion. As survey says. Woo! Amarachi. Mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
I'm going to say moo, like a cow.
Moo.
Good answer. Good answer.
Moo. Let's see if that's on the board. Our survey says. Woo!
Super.
MJ, I'm back to you. After meowing, let's see which other animal you can give us. Mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
So a sheep sound. Meh.
Let's see if what is the English term for meh?
Blatant.
Whoa, shalom.
Queen.
Let's see if that's on the board. Meh or bleats. Let's see if it's on the board. I think we should have put meh bleats on this. Caller.
Yes, sir.
This is a chance to clear the board. Do you think you can do that?
I believe so.
You believe so?
Yeah.
All right, caller tunes. I'm gonna ask you now.
Okay.
Mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
Okay, so the sound of chicken clucking.
Is that your favorite protein? Chicken?
Yes, of
my job.
Of course.
He loves them. They are inside and they are doing it. Let's give you moral support. All right, he says clucking of the chicken. Yeah. Let's see if that's on the board. Our survey says. Woo! That was a good answer. 2 strikes. Bisola.
Yeah.
You see that family? They can't take it from you. 2 strikes. Bisola, mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
All right, I'm going to go with hiss like a snake.
Hiss like a snake. All right, he says hiss like a snake. Let's see if that's on the board. Woo! For a chance to clear the board, survey says. Hey! Hey, Martin, I'm approaching the bench. I'm approaching. Martin, for a chance to steal this from the Aiyeola family, mention a sound an animal is likely to make.
Crow.
All right. He says crow. For a chance to steal, let's see if it's on the board. Survey says. Oma, I'm curious to know what this sound is. So let's see number 6.